What we have here is the state-of-the-art dental lab, digitalized dental lab with multimedia, which permits also the professor to transmit in real time the information he wants to the students. For example, if he has a microscope, he can transmit in real life all student or group of the students with real life without any delay of the transmission. This is one of the advantages of the system that we're offering with Dentsply Sirona. Plus, we have the dentist element, which is exactly that you find on our dental units. So the students, they have the realistic situation to work with, so they will not face any problem when they go outside and work in their own clinic or any other clinic. This is the first installation in Iraq, and it's exactly the same standard that we find anywhere in Europe or the Middle East or even in Japan and the USA. We have many installations worldwide, exactly the same thing, maybe different constellation or the cabinet, but we have the same state-of-the-art equipment all over the world. Very important to also prepare the student for the future. They don't want to be shocked working maybe in a classical simulation unit that has nothing to do with the reality. There will be a bit like, some difficulties. There will be kind of cultural shock, maybe we can say that. But we're working with the simulation unit for Dentsply Sirona. They will work in a real environment that they will find in the normal cabinet.